Okay guys, so we're just priming our lids with some concealer. And then I'm going to go into shade Escape from the James Charles palette. That's that purple shade. And I'm going to apply it to my lid, into and above my crease with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to go into shade Skip. That's that pink shade, also from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to use that to blend out this purple so I can start to create that gradient. Next, I'm going to go into that yellow shade from the Morphe 35B, and I'm going to use that to blend out Skip. And I'm using a smaller, fluffier brush for this process. And I'm taking some of my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to apply that to my lid where I cut my crease. And next I'm going to go into that aquamarine shimmer shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to pack that all over where I put that glitter glue. And I like to use the glitter glue first because it grabs the pigment better. So next I'm going to go into Escape and blend that into my outer V, and go back into Skip to blend Escape and that aquamarine shade together. And then I'm going to get a bit of Spooky to define that cut crease. Next I'm going to go into Face to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go in with a bit of ring light just to give a bit more shine to my brow bone. Now I'm going to prime my face with my LA Girl primer, and I'm going to go in with my highlighting concealer on the high point of my face and just blend that in with my finger because I do want a more glowy look. For foundation, I'm using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in shade Golden Toffee, and I'm just using the equivalent of say 1 pump or a pump and a half, and I'm just using my foundation brush to just buff that into my skin. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Hazelnut to highlight my face, just under my eyes, my forehead, nose, and my chin. And I'm going to use a little bit of my LA Girl concealers to contour. And this is in the shade Mahogany. I'm going to take a stippling brush and just blend out that contour. Then I'm going to use a beauty sponge to blend out the concealer. I'm going to set that concealer in place with my Sacha Buttercup and my damp sponge, and I'm just using a little bit, as you can see, because I'm not trying to have a cake face. I'm going to bronze my face with that brown shade from the Zulu palette. And then I'm going to highlight with Face from the James Charles palette. For nose highlight, I'm just going to use a pencil brush. And now it's time to bake my face. For my waterline, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Shockwave liners. I'm going to use first shade Electric, and then shade Pop, and finally shade Vivid to line my lower waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with the same colors that I used for my lid. That's the purple, the pink, and the yellow. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with a bit of ring light. I'm gonna line my lips with some brown liner. And for lippy, I'm gonna use a Nabi Velvet Matte in shade Chocolate. And a little bit of shade Angel Pink. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the Jordana Clear Gloss just to get a little shininess going on. Let's add some more highlight. You can never have enough. And just blend that all out.